it's me again. What am I doing? I'm sweating my ass off, first of all. And I got a new toy actually a new thing for videos. And this, I just want to get it running first. I might clear up a few things, but this is, if you can tell by the title I put in, you'll know exactly what it is. It's a vintage 3-wheeled machine, and my brother sold it to me, and it's been sitting outside for a year. So the tank is rotted out. You'll see that this is amazing. So stay tuned. I'll show you. Hold on. Well, as I stated, the bike's in pretty good shape. The fenders are good. This right fender is a crack. I have the seat. I have the original side covers. Both sides of the tank got rotted out right there. I'm guessing that's where the last water line was, and it rotted right out. So the whole bottom of the tank is finished. What am I going to do? First, I'm going to buy a replacement tank, the gas cap. I'll show you this. This is pretty cool. This is all nice and rotted. Maybe I can patch this. I don't know. Apparently the inside of the tank is, it looks like a complete and total loss. The gas cap is pretty cool. See? So I'm going to have to look for a used gas cap. The seat's been redone. What else? Basically the key thing, ignition's pretty good. This needs new paint. The front fender's in good shape. The racks need to be repainted. The bottom rack I'll take off and repaint it. I'll find me if this has got a screw in it. I might just buy a set of aftermarket fenders. Tires are good, and I think it needs a new carburetor wherever the heck it is buried. Somewhere under here. Wait, I'll show you the tank. Hold on. So now that I fixed the video, the other side of the tank, I'll show you here. Oops, there's my finger. This is the other side of the tank, which is pretty awesome. Yay. The rims are a little rusty. It needs new shock covers. Paint's a little... The fender's in nice shape. This is a little faded. What else? The bike cover is a little bad. It doesn't have fatally insulting rust in a lot of places. Most of the electronics look good. This is pretty okay. It's just dirty. This needs a new... This fender is okay. Here's the gas tank lid. As you can guess what's inside. I had to use this to get it off. What else? The seat was definitely redone. It's not original. The only thing wrong with this fender is there's a crack right here. I have a feeling, as far as I know, it wasn't cracked when I got it. The lights have all the rubber. What do you call it? The back looks okay. The brakes, I think, are not working. Tires are good. These bolts need to be whatever. It's got rusty bolts. I think I'm going to buy some bluing. The bottom rack is pretty cool. The rack I used to have, had a metal plate underneath it, so I might put a plate under there. One I had on my bike was the same rack, but it had a metal plate all the way across. I'm going to take it off and repaint it. Overall, it's decent. Apparently it was running. I don't know if there's anything wrong with the engine. I think I was alluded to that it did have a clutch problem, but I don't know. I'll find out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Oh, and also, the rear trunk comes fully equipped with cobwebs and a dead baby mouse. So it probably crawled through, I don't know, in here somewhere. So yeah, I'm going to put the little gas tank holder in here and clean that out later. I want to take the trunk out and disinfect it. The lid works pretty good. Probably could use a new spring. Take that apart and ta-da, see how it works. So anyway, you'll be seeing a little more of this bike in pieces. Thanks for watching.